Have some goodies. Today we're going to talk about lenses. Lenses that that you need as a filmmaker, as a creator. Lenses that you should have in your repertoire. Let's talk lenses. One of the lenses, and I'm just looking here. I don't know what I know what I have, but I don't know. I don't do it in order. All right, Rokinon lens. This is a, what is this? This is a 24 millimeter, 1.5 Rokinon lens. This lens is amazing. Okay, and you need it in your repertoire. It's not that expensive either. Which one's go? Okay, this is a 50 millimeter. All right. 50, they call it nifty 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter. I mean, you cannot go wrong with a 50 millimeter. You cannot go wrong with a 50 millimeter. I mean, you can use it for everything. You can use a 50 millimeter to shoot a whole movie. This one is it's like a fisheye lens. I mean, it's so dope. It's so dope. I love this. This is for like my creators. I put this on my phone, and it doesn't have a piece that connect because I brought it from a thrift store, but I put it on my phone and it works just fine. It's a fisheye lens. It's dope. I don't know if you can see it, but you probably can't. Anyway, but this is dope. You need this if you're trying to do. You can use this for music videos. You can use it for filmmaking. You can use it for anything, just to be creative. It's my anamorphic lens for my camera. Your camera, you can change the settings to anamorphic, and you can shoot, and then you can scale it in. It really gives a good cinematic effect for your phone, and it's dope.